bit crazy. There's a reason all my friends left here. Because all my friends were smart. I don't have dumb friends. So, when they got their opportunity to leave, they took it. And they never looked back. And that's great for them. It's great for them and torturous for me. The mosquitoes are crazy right now. They're just trying to find spots to bite you. I got some mosquitoes on the camera, so maybe they'll show up. That'll be interesting to see. I think some of them will. You have to blow them off your hands as you're filming. See, I think this sunset, people say sunsets of the Hudson Valley are great. Those people have never been to California because they're not at all similar. California sunsets are the best. And these sunsets, I don't know how else to put them or put it. These sunsets suck. Like, all it does from this point on is get darker and darker and darker. There's nothing more that happens. There's no last view of the sun. There's no one last flash. It just gets darker and darker and darker. And unlike the ocean, I don't know where the moon is going to be today. I don't know. In the ocean, you could more easily track it.